Hey, have you wondered what it actually takes to keep an amusement park environmentally compliant behind all the rides, lights, and excitement? And did you know that everything from water rides to food stands to maintenance garages can trigger environmental rules most park teams don't even realize applies to them? Today, we're breaking down the real-world environmental responsibilities theme parks deal with every single day, things that can make or break compliance. By the end, you'll know the biggest problem areas, why compliance matters, and how expert help can help your park run smoothly without interruptions. Hey there, I'm Doug Ruhlin from RMA, your environmental experts. We help parks, attractions, and facilities across the country stay compliant, avoid fines, and build stronger environmental programs without the overwhelm. If you ever need help navigating environmental regulations at your park, you can always reach out to us here at RMA. So let's jump in. When most people think of an amusement park, they picture roller coasters, fireworks, and funnel cakes, not environmental regulations. But here's something most people don't realize. Amusement parks are regulated just like industrial facilities. That might sound wild at first. After all, a theme park doesn't look like a factory. But when you step behind the scenes, there's tons of operations, materials, fuels, chemicals, and equipment that fall under the very same environmental laws that apply to that big, intimidating industrial plant down the street. The difference is that parks are built for fun, so the compliance side often hides in the background until it becomes a problem. Let's walk through some of the biggest regulated areas. One of the biggest areas is water use and stormwater. Water parks and splash zones cycle through huge amounts of water, and if it's not managed the right way, it can impact local waterways. Even stormwater from parking lots can pick up pollutants and carry them off-site, which is why many parks need NPDES stormwater permits under federal and state regulations. Next up is oil and petroleum management. Behind all that fun, parks rely on generators, vehicles, and hydraulic systems to keep things moving. That means fuels, lubricants, and oils, possibly all over the property. If you store enough of it, 1,320 gallons or more, you're required to have something called an SPCC plan, which lays out how you prevent and handle spills. A single spill can shut things down and get real expensive real fast. Then there's waste and hazardous waste. Think about food waste, packaging, paints, cleaning products, ride maintenance materials, all happening at a vast scale. Some of those materials even count as hazardous waste under federal law, which means you may need to register as a hazardous waste generator with the EPA, and that the way your team handles and stores them actually matters. Universal waste, things like bulbs and batteries, also come with their own set of rules, making things even more confusing. And trust me, regulators take this very seriously. Air quality is another area that parks often underestimate. A lot of parks use fuel-powered equipment like generators, compressors, boilers, or maintenance tools. Certain painting, welding, and repair activities can also release emissions. If it burns fuel or gives off fumes, there's a chance it needs an air permit. And running unpermitted emissions equipment can land you with significant fines. Chemical handling and storage is a big one too. From pool treatment chemicals to landscaping supplies to maintenance solvents, many parks use chemicals that fall under the EPCRA reporting rules. That usually means Tier 2 reporting, but it could also mean TRI reporting and other requirements that aren't always so obvious. And honestly, one of the most overlooked pieces is training. A park can have all the right paperwork, all the right plans, and all the right equipment, but if your staff isn't trained, then compliance falls apart. Environmental regulations around hazardous waste, spill prevention, and water quality often require training, and missing it can land you in trouble faster than almost anything else. And here's a bonus many parks care about: sustainability. It's not legally required, but with the massive amounts of energies and materials parks use, even small improvements can save money and reduce your overall environmental footprint. Whether it's recycling, energy efficiency, or renewable energy, sustainability is one of those areas that helps your operations and your public image at the same time. So let's zoom out for a second. Why does all this matter? Because ignoring environmental rules doesn't just hurt the planet. It can lead to fines, lawsuits, operational shutdowns, and a real hit to your reputation. Nobody wants their park in the news for an environmental violation. And nobody wants to close a ride because of a spill or a permit issue. The good news? You don't have to guess your way through this stuff. That's where expert guidance from RMA comes in. And if you're listening to this and thinking that some of these areas might apply to your park, we've made it really easy to see what it would actually cost to get help. We've got free pricing calculators on our website for each of these services. Plug in a few quick details and it'll instantly show you what it will cost for RMA to take that piece of compliance off your plate. No strings attached, no email required. Think of environmental compliance like doing your taxes. Sure, you could do them yourself, but the more complicated things get, the more valuable a professional becomes. We help parks by conducting environmental audits that show exactly where you stand, what you need, and how to fix any gaps. From stormwater to hazardous waste to air permits to spill planning, we build a clear roadmap so you know exactly what applies, and then we get to work checking off those boxes for you. We also help parks strengthen our sustainability programs, streamline waste management, and train their employees so everyone knows what to do and how to do it correctly. When you understand the rules and have the right systems in place, environmental compliance becomes a lot less stressful and a lot more manageable. So if you're running an amusement park or theme park and you want to stay compliant, avoid surprises, or build a greener, more efficient operation, we'd love to help. We've supported parks across the country and we can help you too. Just reach out to us here at RMA and we'll make sure you get the guidance you need for your park.